Good morning. I am Jaikumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to explain about the topic working across sheets. So, what is working across sheets? Working across sheets in Excel, or it might be in any other spreadsheet software such as your Zoho Sheets, Apple Numbers, ATAP, Google Sheets, etc., which usually means referring to or using data from one worksheet in the other worksheet. Say, for example, using the data from sheet 2 in sheet 1, or using the data from January sales to that of your December sales. Everything is said to be your working across sheets. This is very common when you organize data in multiple worksheets, but if you want to link them together. Yeah. First, let us see about using or referring data from another worksheet. If you want to refer the data from one worksheet in that of the other, then sheet name has to be followed by your exclamatory mark before the cell reference. Say, for example, if you want the cell A1 from sheet 2 to be used in sheet 1, then in the place where the data has to be used, you have to type it as equal to sheet 2 with the exclamatory symbol followed by cell reference, that is your A1. Next, we are going to see about referring the ranges across the sheets. To pull a whole range, say for example, data from A1 to A10, you have to use the formula that is equal to sum sheet 2 exclamatory mark followed by your reference cell A1 is it up to A10. This will sum up the cells from A1 to A10 in sheet 2 while writing the formula in that of your sheet 1. This means you're going to sum the data from A1 to A10 in sheet 2, which will be displayed in your sheet 1. Next is using 3D references, that is multiple sheets at once. Say for example, if you want to use the sales data of January, February, March, etc. in the sheet 4, which is the summary of your sheet 1 to 3, this particular feature is being used. If you have the same cell range across your multiple sheets, example, your monthly sales data in January, February, March, you can use this particular feature, and it is implemented by using the formula equal to sum Jan to March followed by an exclamatory mark with the cell reference, say for example B2. This adds up cell B2 across all the sheets from January through March. Clear? And next is copying and linking between sheets. When you want to copy a value, then paste it or link it between the other sheet. You will go for this particular feature. The steps involved is copy a value, then paste special, where you have to select your paste link. Excel will automatically create a form between two sheets. Okay, keep data updated automatically. It will keep the data up. If you change the data in one sheet, it will get automatically updated in the other sheets. So this will help you to avoid manual re-entry. It is not required by the user to enter the data manually in every cell where the data has to be entered. It will get updated automatically. It will create the summary or reports, and it is also to have a easy comparison between your sheets, and the consistency across the sheets is easy in this by using this particular feature. And next we are going to see about your cross sheet formulas with functions. For this particular feature, you can use your VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, or XLOOKUP across your sheets. The formula used for this purpose is equal to VLOOKUP. Say for example, if you search 101 in sheet 2 and you have to return the matching value, you can use the formula as equal to VLOOKUP 101, comma, sheet 2 exclamatory mark followed by the range where you want to follow value. Example A2 to D20 to false. Next is your countif across your seats. For countif across your seats, you can use the formula as equal to countif sheet 2 exclamatory mark followed by the cell range. It might be from A1 to A100. Yes, clear? And final thing, if you want to navigate between the seats easily, then you can use the control button which is being followed by your page down or page up. This will help you to move between the seats so quickly. Okay, so you can also right click your seat navigation arrows bottom or left corner to jump to any other sheets. So now we have seen what is working across the sheets and how to work across the datas in the various sheets. So thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much.